If you're a developer, you need to know about Gemma 3. Let's dive in. Gemma 3 isn't just another AI model, it's a game changer. With state-of-the-art performance on a single GPU, it outperforms big names like Llama 3 405B and DeepSeek V3. And guess what? It speaks over 140 languages. Need to handle complex tasks? Gemma 3's got your back with a massive 128K token context window. Plus, it's super efficient thanks to its official quantized versions. But we didn't stop there. Introducing Shield Gemma 2, a robust image safety checker that ensures your AI stays responsible. Customize it to fit your safety needs and keep your project secure. Ready to get started? Gemma 3 integrates seamlessly with Hugging Face, Google AI Studio, and more. Download it now and join the Gemmaverse, a vibrant community of innovators just like you. Try Gemma 3 free today and see the future of AI unfold before your eyes.